To
Experience
the
with CIT.
yeah CIT. Thank you for the CIT authorities for arranging the program in a befitting manner. This 10 days program organized in a very colorful manner, reflecting the culture and the different performances from different states, including that West Bengal and Odisha and the northeastern states. So it is really a wonderful experience to all our volunteers. And on behalf of the Government of India, every year they are arranging the program. This year, particularly our regional directorate, Guwahati, regional director Sri Deepak Kumar preferred this CIT institute based on this infrastructure availability and the cooperation from the authorities. They preferred this institution to organize this program. I think they successfully completed and carried out the program in a befitting manner. And we might have seen the parade practice and other things. So talented students, definitely they will reach to the national level performances, and the representation will be there from all the states. They
How
have
much
the own.
students have been selected?
That's actually allotment is regional director only knows that. I don't have a clear idea. But my duty is all 200 members grading and giving the marks to all the student volunteers that were based on their performance and parade practice. And finalist will be given by the directorate of New Delhi.
Positive thinking, positive attitude must be created among the young generations.
Yeah, that is very, very essential because the spirit of the young generation that automatically gives the boost to this type of institutions and this atmospheres, and they will get more and more volunteerism in their mind. Future, they are going to rule the future country. They are the best product for tomorrow's country's leading. And I hope the authorities, Government of India and dignitaries of different departments also helping us to manage the program in a befitting manner. We are receiving, I am requesting the press media brothers to give more and more emphasis on this NSS activities so that others also will get to know the opportunities available in the NSS to reach peak levels in the, and even youth exchange programs also there.
Exchange of language and culture is the basic needs of the people.
Yes. Because they are not aware about the. In the interview also, I have seen many volunteers. They are not aware about the Assam.
Yeah.
First time they reached here, so they are giving their feelings about the culture and the different styles of the system and performances. They are enjoying the concept of unity in diversity. This is a great philosophy of our Indian culture.
Thank you, Ji.
Thank you.
এই যিটো ভেলিডিক্টৰী ছেশ্যন ইয়াতে মই আহি পেলাই খুব ভাল লাগিছে। 10টা ৰাজ্যৰ পৰা ইয়াত আহিছে। উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলৰ যিটো 7খন ৰাজ্য সেইটোতো আছেই, তাৰপিছত এই বছৰ ছিকিম জইন কৰিলে আৰু ৱেষ্ট বেংগল আৰু উৰিষ্যাৰ পৰাও ইয়াত আহিছে। তো মূল উদ্দেশ্য NSSৰ সৈতে হৈছে হায়দৰাবাদৰ যিটো ৰিজনেল ডাইৰেক্টৰৰ পৰা ইয়াত কেম্পটো পাতিলে CITত। তো ইয়াৰ পৰাও ৰিপাব্লিক ডেত পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে ভলাণ্টিয়াৰ লৈ যাব লাগে। বিভিন্ন কালচাৰ আৰু নিজৰ নিজৰ ৰাজ্যৰ কালচাৰ, বিভিন্ন জাতিৰ কালচাৰবিলাকো ৰিপাব্লিক ডেত ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰা হয়। তো এই অঞ্চলৰ পৰা মানুহ যোৱা নাছিলে কিছুমান সময়, তো এইটো লৈ যাবৰ কাৰণে এই ব্যৱস্থাটো লৈছে। আৰু ইয়াত 200 মান ভলাণ্টিয়াৰ্ছ এইটো বা ইয়াত পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰিছে। তাৰপিছত তেওঁলোকৰ গাইডলাইনছ মতে চিলেকশ্যন হ'ব।
Good, Sabas!